Yeah, we are live. This is Iceland, 3 Celsius degrees. Pretty cold, but no excuses. Remember, you see, we do. No excuses. Are you ready to see the new move? Cross, tap, complicado 1. See for yourself. Ching. Let's go. Pa, 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 pa. Again. Pa, 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 pa. Amazing. Let's do it together. No excuses. I'll switch the camera. Okay, let's do it together. We can start with the left or with the right. Doesn't matter. Let's go. Cross with the left, tap with the right. Cross with the right, tap with the left. Cross with the left, tap with the right. Cross with the right, tap with the left. Once again, let's go back with the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Amazing. Amazing. This is the move. Tap complicado 1. And I remind you, these are universal moves, meaning you can use them in any style of dance that you want. Yeah. Well, wait. You still here? Amazing. Let's do another practice. Now, I want to see you. We'll do it face to face. Imagine yourself staring in a mirror. Are you ready? Let's do it again. Now, again, starting with the left. Are you ready? Let's go. Cross, tap, cross, tap, cross, tap, cross, tap. Again. With the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now try to move the hands like that. We cross with the left and with the right like that. Okay? Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you can do this simple movement with the hands. Alternating the hands. Let's go again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last time, you can point with the hand to the shoulder. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, that's the move. Amazing. Amazing. I cannot believe that you stayed with me till now. So romantic here, seeing the sunrise. Yeah, the sunrise here in beautiful Iceland. Well, since you stayed with me till now, I have a bonus for you. Are you ready for the bonus? You can practice with me this move with me in the studio for free anytime you want. Yeah. How do you do that? You can check the link above, below, or wherever it might be. Where is it? And if you're on Instagram, check the link in my bio. Go to the YouTube channel and check for Tap Complicado 1. Tap C1. Full tutorial. And I can meet you there, just in the studio. Just right there, in the studio. Amazing or not amazing? Either way, what do you care? You have this video, right? You can hit the replay button and practice with me again. And then again, and then again. Repetition is the mother of skill. Remember. Well, just before we end this amazing episode, I'm not that objective, but just before we end it, I remind you, these are universal moves. Universal moves, Marcus Body coding. We code universal moves so you can use them in any style of dance that you want. Any style of dance. Hip hop, salsa, on 1 and on 2. Because you can start with the right or with the left. Amazing. And also many other styles of dance. Bachata, Kizomba, Zumba, Rumba, Samba. Any style that you want. And on top of that, make sure to do this move today. Why today? Because tomorrow there's new footwork. New footwork every day. Marcus Body Coding Live. New footwork every day. So, see you tomorrow.